Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. A little different intro than normal, and that's because, well, I got a delivery a day early. The truck just came and delivered all of the carbon fiber. At least I'm assuming it's the carbon fiber. The invoice simply says McLaren parts. Didn't really order anything else, and the box is enormous. So I'm assuming. Why don't we open it real quick? Take a look at what's inside. I can show you guys some of the changes that are going to come to the McLaren. You can kind of start to picture it in your own head before we head over to Diamond in the next couple of days and get it installed. I guess the good thing about everything being carbon fiber is well, it doesn't really weigh a lot. This box is, well, it's enormous, and honestly, it's just cumbersome to move. It doesn't weigh much, but gotta get a knife. So I guess like every good unboxing video on YouTube, I should have a disproportionately large knife to start opening the box, but we don't have that kind of channel, so we're just going to get a normal knife to open the box. Let's get started. You know, the one thing on these boxes that always drives me crazy is they put a ton of tape and then they put these enormous staples in there. It's kind of like, what's the point of the tape, or what's the point of the staples? They're basically doing the same thing. Anyway, I'm going to speed this up for you and make it a little easier. Get into this box, that way you can see some of what I ordered. I'm just realizing this is probably a bad idea, as I still need to transport this over to Diamond Autosport. And maybe not ruining the box is the appropriate course of action here. All right, well, we're going to try to not ruin the box then, and still film this so that you guys can take a look at what I got. Okay guys, so let's take a look in the box so you get an idea on what we're putting on the McLaren. Now, I didn't get everything I ordered. Everything was supposed to have arrived and didn't. This should have been accompanied by 2 more boxes, or at least 1 more, and maybe they could have put a couple of the pieces in here. I did get a phone call from the company. That one was stuck in transport. It hasn't even cleared customs yet, so I'm not exactly sure when the next one will come, but this will still dramatically change the look of the McLaren, which I'm pretty excited about. Now, we do have 1 piece of carbon fiber in the office already. It's been here for, gosh, I guess like 3 months now. I really could have put it on the car already, but I kind of wanted to do it all together. At this point, we're just going to put what we have on, and then when the other stuff arrives, we're going to put that on as well, and we'll kind of unveil the car in its completed form, well, when we can. I sort of skunked you guys. You actually can't see anything. There are 2 pieces in here. I'll give you that as a hint. 1 really large piece and 1, well, pretty small piece. Not really small. Medium. 1 medium piece. What are your guesses? What do you think's going on the car? Comments down below. All right, guys, so obviously it is the next day. Now, we are about to take the McLaren over to Danny's Automotive. Yeah, another Danny, not obviously me. We need to get the wheels aligned. When I lowered the car, or anytime you lower a car, you should get your wheels aligned. And well, I've procrastinated it. Now I need to do it. After that, however, we are taking the car immediately over to Diamond Auto. So I figure about an hour and a half, 2 hours over at the alignment shop, and then over to Diamond to have all the carbon fiber installed. So why don't we quit talking? Let's get going. Alignment check.
Done.
So we're about to grab all of the carbon fiber and load it up onto a truck that I rented through Turo in order to get everything down. I guess true first world problems, I don't actually have a car that can get all that gear there. So I had to figure that out. Anyway, we're about to take off. Diamond. All right, so the alignment is all done. Honestly, you can't really feel the difference too much. They said that there was a very minor one. The McLaren's already pretty low anyway, so lowering it didn't adjust it all that much. But we are on our way to Diamond as we speak. I'm super excited to unveil this car to you guys. I'm hoping they can get it done in about a week or so. There's quite a bit getting on the car or being put on the car. And then as soon as it's done, it's actually going to get its annual service as well. So it'll be a couple of days longer than just replacing the carbon fiber and redoing some of the pieces of wrap. Anyway, super excited. We're on our way. So got down here to Moe's. Got sick Rolls Royce Cullinan, some Urises. And then down here we got the new DBX. This thing looks sick in this tan wrap. Looks like they're still doing some work on the front end there. All right, guys, but last thing is to take one final look at the McLaren in its current form, because pretty soon it's going to look very, very different.
So driving that is a beast of a vehicle. I realize how small. I realize how small my cars are driving that. I used to drive an F-150 years ago, and I swear it was smaller. That is a big, big, big truck.
All right, guys, so that is all she wrote for today. I feel like there is a hole in my life with this car. Okay, not really a hole in my life, but there's definitely a hole in the garage with this car being gone. I guess I'll have to make do driving that one around for the next week. I really can't wait for you guys to see the McLaren. I think it's going to be pretty dope. I mean, I've really been happy with the wrap, but this is the piece that I've always been waiting for. I mean, honestly, I ordered this stuff almost 7 months ago, and it finally just arrived. So if you've ordered anything and it has taken its sweet time getting to you because of supply chain issues, you're not alone. Everything is just taking forever. But it's finally here, and I'm going to unveil it, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. If you like today's video, please smash that thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go for a quick drive. I'll see you.